talking to Mama? Tell Mama something. Tell her something. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, my little squawk box. Say something to Mama. You so silly. You so silly. Oh. There's Elmo. She lifts one eyebrow. Yeah. That's fun, huh? Mm-hmm. Yes. Ooh. She's cheesing. Yes. You're so big. Such a big girl. Yeah. What's that in front of you? She's got poop eyebrows. They're turning red.
Now, does it video for as long as you let it?
I think so.
See, mine would only do 20-second episodes, and it didn't do sound.
She's into it. Yeah. Bianca, say Mama. Say Mama. 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 Say Mama.
She might play Elmo before she's so small.
I know, I'll be devastated because we work on Mama like an hour a day. Say Mama. Say Mama. Mama. Say Mama. You could do it. You could do it. You could do it. Say Mama. 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 Say Mama. Say Mama. Say Mama. Say Mama. You could do it. You could do it. Say Mama. We've been working on it. Mama. There's Elmo.